In a small cul-de-sac in Murray, Utah, we happened to be in a neighbor's home where they were cutting down a tree. They were holding this tree with some small things similar to extension cords. We went over there and saw that they had cut the tree. The relief cut was cut, and that tree was ready to come down. If the tree were to come down, it would potentially damage the eaves and had the possibility of rolling off the eave and then running right into the garage, which you can see here. So what we decided to do to help these people was to run over and get some serious cables here to cinch the tree and potentially hold the tree in place until they could call and get help. Upon our return, the homeowners had indicated they had called Diamond Tree experts of Salt Lake City. Diamond Tree was very responsive. They were there very quickly and managed to take quick control of the situation with ease. The foreman was very knowledgeable and prepared himself to get that tree down as quick as possible. At this time there was a light breeze. With careful placement of the vehicles and a lot of experience, the foreman began to trim the tree and take the tree, which at this point was jeopardizing the home if we had any kind of wind or anything else. After careful placement of the vehicles and also placement of the ropes and straps on the tree itself, the foreman then indicated that the tree was safe at this point, and we're going to top the tree over with the simple use of a vehicle. As an end result, the tree was safely removed, and we had seen the outcome be a good one, which could possibly have been tragic otherwise. So here at 24 Utah Video, we have to give the Diamond Tree experts a thumbs up. Some people talk the talk, but can they really walk the walk? Well, Diamond Tree Experts does. They do it by performance. We highly recommend them. DiamondTreeExperts.com.